Get ready for the next J Stout Auctions event, October 19th. Catworks Full Dispersal Auction. Preview days, October 16th, 17th, and 18th. Featuring late model excavators, dozers, loaders, contractor utility trucks, and a shop full of all the equipment and tools you need to run a construction company. This is a reputable contractor based out of Vancouver, Washington. So we really want to do these people some good and sell all this equipment to the highest bidder here on October 19th. Call JSA at 888-230-8840 or visit www.jstoutauction.com for more details on this auction event.